Hi, I'm Pilot Steve. Ever feel like a movie could change your life, even if it's older than your grandparents? Gone with the Wind's 75th Anniversary Edition might just be that film. Picture this. Scarlett O'Hara's world is falling apart, but she's strong and promises to never be hungry again. It's a moment that makes you want to see what happens next. Gone with the Wind isn't just a movie. It's a journey through the American Civil War and the years after, all seen through the eyes of the tough Scarlett O'Hara. You'll laugh at Rhett Butler's jokes, cry at the sadness of lost love, and be amazed by the big, epic scenes. The restored version looks amazing, making the colors bright and the sets look grander than ever. Fun fact, Vivien Leigh, who played Scarlett, got the part after they looked at 1,400 other actresses. And that scene where Atlanta burns? They burned down real old movie sets to make that fire look real. 2 reviewers loved the beautiful visuals and the exciting story, giving it a perfect 5 stars. The average rating? A super solid 4.8 stars. A few people thought it was too long, but hey, you can't rush a great movie. Gone with the Wind's 75th Anniversary Edition isn't just a movie, it's a whole experience. It teaches you about being strong, about love, and about how complicated people can be. It's a must-watch, whether it's your first time or your 50th. So, grab your popcorn, get comfy, and let Scarlett and Rhett take you on an amazing adventure. The link's in the description. I'll even give you free shipping if you want it. See ya!